In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the record where you want the note to live. This could be a contact, a company, a deal, a ticket, or another type of record, depending on what you're documenting. Notes are useful for keeping important context in one place, so choosing the correct record at the start helps keep your CRM organized. After opening the record, click on the Activities tab. This is where HubSpot keeps a history of interactions and internal updates related to that record. Inside the Activities area, click Note to begin creating a new note. This opens the note editor, where you can add the details you want your team to see later. If your note includes a title field, go ahead and enter a clear note title. This can make it easier to scan through activity history and quickly understand what the note is about. Then type the main note content in the body area. Be as clear and specific as needed, so the information is useful when someone reviews the record later. If needed, you can format the note using the available editing tools. For example, you may want to organize information with emphasis or cleaner structure so it's easier to read. If you have supporting files that should be included, add attachments to the note. This can be helpful for keeping related documents or reference materials connected to the record. You can also associate the note with other records if necessary. This is especially useful when the same note is relevant to multiple contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Associating records properly helps avoid duplicate work and keeps information connected across your CRM. Before saving, take a moment to review the note details. Make sure the title, content, formatting, attachments, and associations all look correct. This quick check can help prevent confusion later and ensures the note is complete and accurate. When everything looks good, click Save Note or Log Note, depending on the button label shown in your HubSpot view. Once the note is saved, verify that it appears in the activity timeline for the record. This final check confirms that the note has been added successfully and is now part of that record's history. And that's how to add notes in HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.